Hello students, today I'm going to explain componendo and dividendo. What is componendo and dividendo? This is important for students studying in icse board. So let's start. Componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. So what is componendo and what is dividendo? This is about ratio and proportion. See here, suppose A is to B is equal to C is to D. Two ratios are in proportion. So by componendo rule, A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. This is called as componendo rule. Means if A upon B is equal to C upon D, it is given that if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. This is called as componendo. And what is dividendo? This is dividendo. A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. This is dividendo. This is componendo and this is dividendo. This equation first and this equation second. If you divide first equation by second equation, you get what? B and B cancel. We get A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. This is very important in solving different problems. Even if you are preparing for competitive exams, this type of questions will come. So this is very important. So this is called as componendo and dividendo. This is called as componendo and this is called as dividendo. But how does it happen? Why if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then why so? Why this collaborativity? I'm going to explain. You just need to add. See here, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, you have to add 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides, what you will get? A upon B plus 1 is equal to C upon D plus 1. We get LCM B, so we get A plus B is equal to C plus D upon D. So just by adding in this proportion, you get componendo. And if you subtract, you will get dividendo. Look here, if you subtract 1, in this, then you will get what? A plus B minus 1 is equal to A upon B minus 1 is equal to C upon D minus 1. So we get A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. So by adding 1 we get componendo rule, by subtracting 1 we get dividendo rule. And if you combine the two, if you divide first equation by second equation, you get componendo and dividendo. I am going to give you an example how it is useful in solving problems. Suppose it is given that A upon B is equal to 4 upon 5, then find the value of A plus B upon A minus B is equal to what? This type of questions, how will you solve it? By this componendo and dividendo rule you can do it. See here, so you can simply write 4 plus 5 upon 4 minus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So finally we get minus 9. That is your answer. So this is very useful in solving different problems related to ratio and proportion. Thank you for watching. If you want home tuition, if you want online tuition of mathematics and science, then you can contact on my number 8433697249. Thank you for